Sorry, wala akong magawa.
So, lalabas ka sa... Pupunta ka sa garahe.
Yeah.
Pupunta ka sa garahe. Good luck. Good luck. Ay, wala masyado rito sa lapagan. Ako madami dito.
Ikulan mo to para... And then you can post that.
Ay, bumabagsak ang snow. Happy winter! Oops. Yan, mahirap yung garahe nakahiwalay sa bahay. You have to pass by the driveway. Yung kanyang yung kanyang tawag dito, solar panel. Yung solar panel niya natatabunan ng snow. Kaya wala siyang battery. Walang power yung kanyang solar. Ayan, snow na. See yung tawag dito, pine trees. Pine trees, ang ganda. Oh. Kaya lang, ang kapal ng snow. Nakakatamad mamasyal at mag-grocery. Ito naman ang ginagamit namin, salt, pag nag-yellow. Yan. Salt yan para sa yellow na pagka ito nagka-yellow yung mga floor.
Dito sa
Gusto mo pumunta sa likod? Oh, dalin mo to. Oh, hindi ako naka-boots eh. Yung dalawang drum na taob ko, inaubos ko yung tubig para hindi mag-ice, ma-frozen yung laman ng drums. Dalawang drum dun sa likod eh. Yung isang drum dito hindi ko natapon.
You want me to take it out?
Ay, mahirap. Ice yan.
I know.
Hayaan mo na. Hindi na iinit eh. Frozen na yan hanggang sa March. Hopefully lang wag pumutok. Hindi na yan matutunaw eh. Gusto mong hawakan to? Saka pupunta?
No, not so.
Lagyan mo kaya lagyan mo ng salt yung harap.
No, bumabagsak pa yan. Into that. So this is our winter time. 2025 winter. This is my neighborhood. Where's everybody? Winter wonderland. There you go. That's a winter wonderland right there. Okay, that's winter. Ang style nila ng pagkakabit, tatanggalin itong paa, itatayo dito. So this is the finished product of installing the TV. So what you're seeing is, say,
the biggest reward for all nannies and caretakers is when their foundlings eat, because that's the best sign that they're doing well. Our number 2 story takes place deep in the Florida Everglades. This is Homosassa Springs, and the home of Ranger Matt Robinson. The animals in his care are as unusual as the Everglades themselves. 6 Sweetwater Springs filled the natural pool at the Homosassa Springs Wildlife State Park. This is where Matt and his staff take care of
finished
6
setup.
manatees with some very special needs.
So there's your TV.
Getting hit by a
This
boat
is
is
how
a big
we
threat
watch
to manatees.
TV.
Their lungs are close to the surface of
Over
the skin,
there.
and any injury from boat propellers is potentially life-threatening.
There you go.
These 6 received such severe injuries
So,
that they can't
that's
be
the setup.
released back into the wild.
Bye.